Long, long ago, before time as we know it existed, there was only the vast and endless ocean of nothingness. It stretched beyond imagination, silent, still, and waiting. But within this nothingness, three great forces stirred: the mighty Tridev, Brahma, the creator, Vishnu, the preserver, and Shiva, the destroyer. The three gods floated in the great void, their energies humming with purpose. They knew that something beautiful needed to be born, a world full of life, where beings could grow, learn, and evolve. And so they decided to create Earth. Brahma, with his four heads glowing with wisdom, sat deep in meditation. He envisioned towering mountains, vast oceans, endless forests, and creatures of all kinds roaming freely. His mind spun with the possibilities of colors, sounds, and shapes, each idea more beautiful than the last. He opened his eyes, and from his thoughts a golden lotus bloomed in the cosmic ocean. From this lotus, the foundation of Earth was formed. With his divine hands, Brahma shaped the land, carved deep valleys, and raised magnificent peaks. He painted the sky with hues of blue and breathed life into the first wind. Rivers began to flow, carrying the essence of creation through the land. But Brahma knew that just creating a world was not enough. It needed balance, harmony, and order. So Vishnu, the great preserver, took charge. He set the planets in motion, ensuring that Earth revolved steadily around the sun. He filled the oceans with water, placing vast waves to kiss the shores gently. Vishnu looked upon Brahma's creation and realized that every being needed a purpose, a cycle to follow. He brought seasons into existence: spring for renewal, summer for growth, autumn for reflection, and winter for rest. He ensured that day and night followed one another, so life could flourish in a rhythm. He then introduced Dharma, the cosmic law that would guide the lives of all beings, ensuring that kindness, duty, and justice always prevailed. As Earth took shape, Shiva, the powerful yet compassionate destroyer, watched in silence. He knew that creation and preservation were not enough. Change was the true essence of existence. Without transformation, the world would become stagnant. With his trident, he struck the land, splitting it into continents, shaping rivers, and forming caves where time itself could be recorded. He danced the Tandava, the celestial dance of destruction and rebirth, ensuring that every being and element in this world would evolve. Trees would shed their leaves and grow anew. Creatures would be born and return to the cosmos, and civilizations would rise and fall, only to make way for new ones. With each movement of his dance, he weaved time into the fabric of Earth, allowing progress and renewal to take place forever. With the world now perfect, the Tridev created the first beings. Brahma sculpted humans from the dust of the stars. Vishnu breathed life into them, and Shiva gifted them knowledge of creation and destruction. Animals, birds, and insects followed, each with a role in the grand cycle of existence. As the first humans opened their eyes, they saw a world filled with wonders. Mountains that kissed the skies, rivers that sang lullabies, forests that whispered ancient secrets, and an endless sky watching over them. The Tridev smiled, knowing their creation was complete. And so Earth was born, not just as a planet, but as a living, breathing world filled with energy, movement, and stories waiting to unfold. To this day, the balance of creation, preservation, and transformation continues, guided by the hands of the mighty Tridev, ensuring that life never ceases to flourish.